Hey, it's Angeline here. I know Christmas is just around the corner and all of us are rushing to make cards and gift tags, so today I'm going to show you how to make an easy Christmas gift tag for your holiday season. So instead of showing you how I glue everything down to this tag, I'm going to show you how to color the poinsettias so that you can add it not only to your tags but to your presents and to your cards as well. So the beautiful poinsettia is from the Gracefully Designed and Unity Stamp Kit called Whatever Keeps You Warm, and I'm going to show you how I colored it using my Copic markers. I'm starting off with the lightest red color shade that I have, and if you're noticing it's kind of running out of color midway, I kind of guess this happens whenever you want to record a video, right? So just moving on to the next darker shade and just starting over and just coloring it. So if you notice, this flower is darker than the flower above it, but it's okay. Things like this happen, and I don't know what's up with my red markers, but this one was also running out of color, but I'm just squeezing it until every last drop comes out to color the entire piece up. So once you're done coloring up all your poinsettias with the lightest red shade that you have, then move on to the darker shade here to create some shadows to the center of the flowers and also to the bottom of each flower at the sides. So just keep on adding shadows to the flower until you're satisfied. So keep on going to a darker shade but just adding lesser and lesser to create the shadow and gradients. Next, I'm coloring in the pine cones using some browns, and again using the same concept. Just grab a darker shade of brown or reds in this case and just add on the shadows to the bottom of the pine cones, and finally just adding some glitter to the center of the flower. So here is my finished tag. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!